Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing this summer look. I don't think it's fall yet, so here I am. I am also going to be testing out the brand new Makeup Forever Extreme Pencil, and I'm going to be comparing it to the Aqua Lip that they have and their original artist color pencils. So I do a hand swatch, lips application, and I'll show you just how waterproof it is. If you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. I also will be reviewing this Hourglass skin tint. So please enjoy. I'm going to start with this Ilia Face Base Milk, and I like to use it as a primer, and you know, I think it's actually growing on me. I can see where there would be a place for this type of product, really light moisturizer. If you hear something in the room, that would be the baby. She likes to talk a lot. So here I'm just prepping the skin, and the newest product I was going to show you guys that I have used now 3 times, and I think it's my favorite, sad to say, because Hourglass is pretty expensive, but this is the Veil Hydrating Tint or Skin Tint in the color 3 because it's more golden, and I feel like it will flatter the golden olive skin tone a lot better. So what I do is I'll just put it like that. It's like, and then just like that. And there's a silkiness. I'm gonna put my hair up so I don't mess anything up. There is a silkiness to this cream. I mean, when people describe their, powders, there's like a beautiful silkiness to them, but this feels really, really nice. And I've actually put it on just bare skin, and it feels absolutely amazing. So I will definitely be using this on the go and on like my travels this week. I love how it dries down. It does have the light coverage that I usually look for. I like medium coverage, but I really like light coverage too because it looks even more natural. Of course, it just basically evens out the skin and looks perfect. So that is such a nice product. I was really surprised. I remembered I was looking for something to replace my Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. I've tried that one twice now and I love it, but I just wanted to try something a little different. So I remembered Jamie Page on YouTube talking about just picking up that Hourglass skin tint, and she gets all kinds of PRs. So she's had hers sitting around the house for months, and she picked it up again and then absolutely fell in love with it, and didn't remember why she ever put it down. Well, for dry skin, it definitely, you can instantly feel why you love it. And I am one of those dry skinned ladies too, where it's kind of on the normal side, and if I drink a little too much coffee, it's a little on the dry side. So it just varies, but I can see where something like this is so nice. And the fact that it is, I think it is, I thought it was an SPF, but I don't know where it says that now. I'm not sure, but it's made in Italy. That's kind of cool. So it does say to shake well before use. I didn't do that, but that was in really small fine print. For next time, it'll be shaken. So I already did my concealer. It was just the Ere Perez. Moving on, I wanted to show you, I also mentioned that I would show you the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Extreme. So I did get this finally in the mail. what I'm gonna do is put the extreme one at the top. I did get the color Wherever Walnut because it's a little bit more lip color. And then this is my aqua lip, and it's pretty small, but I love that color because it's basically a warmer color for lips. And this one is, again, a waterproof one. And then this is the traditional lip pencil. So I'm gonna put them, and this is Anywhere Caffeine. So this is 3C. This one has no name, it's just called 3C. This is Wherever Walnut in the extreme waterproof, and this is Anywhere Caffeine in just the regular traditional pencil. I'm gonna keep it on there throughout my getting ready, doing my makeup, and then we'll come back and I will show you how long it lasts on the skin. So today I'm going to use one of my Hourglass bronzers since I haven't been using these a whole lot, and I might maybe set my face first. So I'm going to use my Givenchy powder here. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush and just apply this. So the bronzer I'm using is Luminous Bronze Light. All right, so that was that. And now for eyeshadow, I will use this makeup by Mario and just like pick a color in it. I don't usually use 50 colors for eyeshadow, so maybe I'll do kind of this pink toned one. And do kind of like a soft eye look. I noticed that the warm color palettes are coming back into style. I don't know why exactly, because they have always been too warm. It's like neutrals, I feel like they suit everyone, but those really warm palettes, I don't see how that ever looks natural on the face. I mean, not that even this looks natural, of course. And then I'll do one of just the shimmers. I'll just pick that middle one. Just kind of put it all over the lid. Like that. And then I'm going to use one of my brow pencils. Underline, my little underlining method. I know it's a little more than underlining, but then I brush it out and it kind of smooths itself out. All right, so that is the brows. And now I might do like I'll use one of these colors as eyeliner. I'll just use the darkest color in there. I'll do like a soft wing oftentimes as well. All right, so that is the eyeliner there. For the mascara, I picked up this Give mascara because it's the Can't Stop Staring mascara, and it was on sale on the Sephora site, so I just picked it up because I think all their stuff is disappearing, so I just got it. Mascara is one of those things I don't really like paying 30 bucks for a mascara, because mine kind of finishes, you know, every basically 3 to 4 months, and that's a lot to be replacing it with 30 bucks every time. So I just wanted to see what this was about, and I think if like you really layer it, then it does look okay. So I'm just going to hurry up and apply the rest of this. All right, that's the mascara. Looks good. I thought I would put this lip liner, Wherever Walnut. I'll put it on just to show you while it dries down, to show you the longevity of it if you let it dry down. So that's the color, and it, again, it looks good. For as like, you know, a contoured lip, it looks really nice. And I'll do my blush right now because I have not forgotten. I'm going to use this Dior Rosy Glow in the pink color. I use a dense brush for this because it is a faint color. It just is, honestly, I probably would not have bought this had I known you have to really scrub your brush in there. It just doesn't come off the way that it should. Is it a pretty color? You can get that color anywhere. And I do like colors that tend to be on the softer side, where they don't deposit extreme color, like the Patrick Ta blushes. Those are extreme. I don't like that at all. But at least somewhere in between, where it's, you don't have to scrub your brush in there, and then you don't have to put like globs on, like the Patrick Ta one. You have to be so careful, not scared. So now, last thing that is left, I was going to use, so here, I'll just, before I put on this Ravie Beauty lipstick in the color Poppy, I wanted to just, so the lip liner didn't transfer. That's great. Now I'm going to, my finger, it just has its natural oils on there. So I'm just going to wipe. This is the original color, just the regular pencil. This is the aqua lip, and this is the waterproof one, the extreme waterproof one. So let's see how they wipe in this order. Okay, so this one definitely wiped off. I'm gonna go kind of this way. So for sure this one doesn't last anywhere near. Let me just grab a cloth. This is just a dry cloth. And I'm like wiping. So again, a dry cloth will wipe it away. This is not that waterproof, honestly. And I don't understand why companies say it's waterproof when the thing that we want is oil proof, because when you eat foods, it's the oily things that make your lip liner disappear. It's not drinking water, obviously. Are we swimming with lip liner? I don't know, but it's just so strange that they are all going for waterproof when we're trying to have a long-lasting lip liner, which means oil proof. Really, I don't know why I have to say it out loud. I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. So this is the color Poppy. Again, oh my goodness, this formula is so nice. I love Ali Glines' lipsticks. That is so pretty. I love pairing Poppy with a pink lip liner, kind of pink contoured lip liner. Yesterday I was wearing Peony with what lip liner did I use? I might have used this Wonder Skin actually in the color Saddle. So I'll show you this is Saddle, and then this is the new Wherever Walnut. So that one's a bit more of a contour, and that one's a little more lip color. Anyways, those are just a few little comparisons that I wanted to show you. And that pretty much concludes this look. It's kind of just a simple summer bright color look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked seeing that review for the extreme waterproof lip liner. I hope someone will invent something that really is budge proof for real, and I will be so excited. I'll be the first person to try it out. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.